Do you ever look at celebrities like Deepika Padukone, Kareena Kapoor, Sushmita Sen and wonder that they always look elegant? Whether they are being fabbed going out for a casual brunch or whether they are doing a promotion for a movie, they always have an effortless, elegant look. And do you also want to look the same? Then this video is for you. Hi guys, welcome to ZMediaIndia.com. My name is Simran Keswani and today in this video, I'll be telling you 5 celeb-inspired must-have fashion pieces that every woman must have in her wardrobe to look elegant. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Now the first one on the list is the versatile bodysuit. A bodysuit is a foundational piece that every classy woman should own. It is also seen on actors like Deepika Padukone and Alia Bhatt embracing it. It offers a sleek and seamless look that can be paired with various bottoms, from skirts to jeans or to a trouser. If you're looking for a sophisticated look, you can go for a neutral colored bodysuit with high-waisted trouser. And if you're going for a night out, you can switch to a more daring or maybe a mesh bodysuit which you can pair up with a skirt or a tailored pant. The bodysuit versatility and sleek design makes it indispensable, and the best part is that no matter how much you move, it will always stay tucked in. Now the next one on the list is a tailored trouser. As I'm growing, I'm getting more inclined towards trouser rather than ripped jeans. I think trousers can make you look instantly elegant, and it's a perfect fit whether you're going for work or you're going for a party. You can definitely take it from day to night. You can go with a tapered trouser with heels for a professional look, but if you're looking for a more relaxed setting or you're going for a relaxed vibe, then you can pair up your trouser with loafers, and that's about it. Now the next one on the list is a maxi dress. Whether you're looking for a no-brainer outfit when you don't know what to wear, you can definitely go with it. Or you're looking for an outfit that can make you look elevated without putting too much effort, then I think maxi dresses can be your best friends. Many actresses like Kareena Kapoor, Anushka Sharma, Palak Tiwari and so on are seen embracing this particular clothing item. I think it can easily switch from day to night. You can pair your maxi dress with a sandal and wide brimmed hat for a daytime event, and for an evening event you can simply swip to strappy heels and add a statement jewelry and you'll be good to go. Now the next one on the list is an eye-catching statement watch. From Shah Rukh Khan to Tara Sutaria, their statement watches are famous for a reason. A well-crafted watch can not only serve a practical purpose, but it can also add a touch of sophistication to any outfit. And you can also do the same by choosing a minimalistic and timeless design that can be worn up as an accessory with both your casual and formal outfits, making it incredibly versatile. Now the last one on the list is the timeless striped shirt. A striped shirt is a classic piece that never goes out of style, and you must have seen a lot of actresses like Anushka Sharma, Katrina Kaif to Alia Bhatt being spotted in this timeless piece. The versatility of the shirt allows it to be paired with numerous items in your wardrobe, from tailored trousers to casual jeans. For a polished look, you can tuck a striped shirt into a high-waist pants and add a belt to define your waist. For a more relaxed vibe, you can leave it untucked over a pair of skinny jeans or shorts. The striped shirt can also be layered under your blazers or sweaters, adding a touch of pattern and interest to your outfit. Building a wardrobe filled with timeless pieces ensures that you're always prepared, stylish and confident no matter the occasion. And these 5 celeb-inspired clothing must-haves that I just told you will definitely make sure that you put your best fashion forward at all times. So that was about it in this video. I hope it helped. If it did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.